No way. Guys. Oreo socks. Oh my goodness, guys. It literally came with flower petals on it. Like, that is luxury, y'all. Y'all. I have been collecting PR for, I think, like 2 weeks just so I could make this video for you guys. And when I mean I've collected a lot of PR, I mean a lot. Let me show you. Anyway, we have all of those and all of these, so we have a lot to go through. So let's try to make this efficient. Let's do a haul. I think that this one is from Dutch Bros because of the little logo, but it says Passenger Princess, so I wonder what's inside. It says the car is my kingdom, the front seat is my throne, Dutch Bros coffee. This is so cool, look at all the pink. Guys, I'm ready. Oh my goodness, okay. This stuff always makes a mess, but I love it so much. They sent me a Dutch Princess sticker and then a bunch of different magnets. Oh my goodness. Y'all know I love Dutch Bros so much. Of course, a Dutch Bros gift card. Oh my gosh, so you put this in your cup holder and then it can also like prop up your phone. I've actually been needing one of these. Smiley face slippers. No way. A Dutch Bros Princess air freshener. Okay, I actually am so gonna put this in my car. I've always wanted one of these. It smells heavenly. I know that I'm gonna watch this video. I'm gonna be very mad at myself that I was chewing gum through the whole thing. No way. It's a little Dutch Bros topper for your Stanley. Guys, a little pink Dutch Bros cup. Oh my goodness, and then a little, oh my gosh, that feels so good. I've always wanted one of these. Dutch Bros, I love you to the moon and back. I've worked with them quite a few times and every single time they spoil me. Wow, we really started off strong with that one. I'm trying to go biggest to smallest, like package-wise. I feel like I'm gonna start off that way and then it's not gonna end up that way. A for effort for all these brands that put a crap ton of tape on their boxes, but it's very difficult for me. This is from Odd Socks. I love them so much. It says, always remember, in everything you do, be you, be odd. I love that motto. Oh my goodness. This is so funny. Sour Patch Kids sports bra. This Pepsi short and sports bra set. And then the matching Sour Patch shorts. Ah, these are so funny. Some basic black and white socks. I always give these away to my friends because they like those ones. Guys, they sent me fun socks. Oh my goodness. Oreo socks. Swedish fish socks. Patrick socks. Guys, you cannot tell me that if I were to be a Nickelodeon character, I would not be Patrick. I mean, I'm so Patrick core. I never watched this show, but this print, I know that it's Nickelodeon though. Pepsi socks. Ooh, and then these really cool like tie-dye marble ones. Those are so fun, thank you. And then some more like ankle and no-show ones. I feel like I will be keeping the no-show ones for sure because I feel like there are certain things that like you really do need no-show socks for and I never have any. So thank you so much, Odd Socks, I love you. Next up is from Hard Candy. You guys know I'm obsessed with their lip oil, so let's see what they sent me. Okay, so this is the inside. I think it might be like a coffee bean flavored something. Espresso lip slide in the shade Espresso and Sugar Spin. Oh my goodness. And they also sent me a little Hard Candy mug. It's adorable. Okay, so they sent me their lip oil, which I was talking about. These shades are so cute. I really wanna try this one in particular because I've only like tried like their pinkier shades just because that's what I gravitate more towards, but now that I have this one, I kind of have to try. I like their applicators. It does have like a very, very slight scent of like something kind of chocolatey. I don't exactly know what it is. I actually really like that. I love that it didn't turn out like brown like I thought it would. It's like actually so pretty. Thank you. Next on the drawing board. Okay, this one I actually don't know who this is from because the shipping label does not say the name. This tape is not making this easy for me. Sometimes give up opening the packages and I just rip them. I can't be the only one. Ooh, this is from Joeer Holiday Market. It's from Joeer, but oh my goodness, guys. It literally came with flower petals on it. Like, that is luxury, y'all. That is luxury. Okay, so they sent me 3 little kits. This is what they look like. They are so pretty. Okay, I think, yeah, it's a blush and a lip duo. These are the shades. Oh, I love that one. Okay, the second set, those are actually so cute. I think that this would be such a cute, like, either like little gift for somebody or like to put in like somebody's stocking or something, put it on your Santa list. I really like how shimmery these 2 are. I think I might definitely keep these ones. Thank you so much, Joeer. The good thing about being an influencer and getting PR is a lot of this stuff I give to my friends for Christmas, and it makes it very easy for me because I know what brands I like. I know what like their makeup and skincare like, and then I can give it to them, and it just like makes me so happy because I can't keep everything. Next is from Glow Recipe. Guys, I love Glow Recipe. Y'all! Okay, so you know how Glow Recipe had these little like face masks and then it went discontinued for a while? Well, they brought them back! Ah, that's so exciting, oh my goodness. I am legit, I'm gonna give, I think, okay wait, let's count how many. 16 face masks, and I only have 1 face, so I'm definitely gonna keep some for myself, but I will be giving some away to my friends. I think that this would be such a cute, like, little, like, to put on top of a gift. Like, who would not want one of these face masks? They smell so good. There are the Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. I do not remember them, like, having kind of, like, a harder back. It's, like, thick, because they have all the, like, juices in there. Maybe I'm just remembering wrong, but so happy that these are back. Glow Recipe. It was for their like 10-year anniversary thing. Like they brought a bunch of like their old products back. So excited. Okay, see, now I'm going just like in a random order. I wanted to do one of these like softer packages, so let's see. This is from Happy Camper, and this is like a mental health wellness brand. Oh my goodness. I think I might cry. This little like button up sweater. Do you guys see that? And look at, they have like little patches like on the sleeves. Okay, I'm gonna go up to the mountain soon and I'm 100% gonna wear this. Like, you can feel how amazing the quality is. This is like so me, thank you. Okay, this next box is extremely light. So, I also don't know who this is from, so this should be interesting. Okay, we got bubble wrap. And then we have stuff wrapped in tissue paper. Okay, this is from the Creme, I don't know, shop. And they sent me their little like holiday Hello Kitty stuff. Okay, so we have a Hello Kitty and Friends glowing snowflake printed essence sheet mask. What a name. This is the Holly Jolly Skin blemish patches. So do you see all like those things on the inside? They're little pimple patches. I love when I feel like pimple patches used to be just like really basic, just like little dots. But now they're coming out with so many cute ones. It's like, I almost want to get I cannot say that. I cannot say I want to get a pimple because then I am putting that out into the universe and that will happen. Lisi, why would you say that? Anyway, but if I do end up getting one, I have some cute pimple patches. And then this overnight moisture mask. Oh wait, I forgot about this. Ooh, a daily lip balm and mask. Lip berry duo. That is actually so cute. Baddie! Okay, stop. That's like literally been in my head all day. Okay, next up is from YSL. Guys, I love YSL so much. I have, I think like 1 or 2 of their perfumes. They're so good. I got another one of their perfumes. Oh my freaking goodness. Okay, wait, let's smell this one. Let's smell test. That smells very fancy. Very like that feels like a special occasion scent. Because I feel like I have a lot of daily scents, but not like a special occasion scent, so thank you. And we're going back to a soft package. Wow, I feel like I am really being, you know, I'm not dilly-dallying. Sometimes this will take me hours. Okay. This is from Pippa skincare. I love Pippa so much. I know that I have a lot of like younger audience girls, and Pippa skincare is for like younger, youthful, like tween skin. They sent me their Glow Go facial mist. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it literally looks like a Touchland. That's so cool. Let's try it. Very refreshing. It kind of smells like roses. It says start young, grow strong. And then they sent me this Pippa little case where I can put all my skincare. Oh, so convenient, thank you. Next is from Bioma. I freaking love Bioma. I really want to start like expanding using like Bioma's different products, because the ones that I use every single day are their lip oil and their moisturizer and their face mist. But besides that, I like only use them once in a while, so I really need to like expand. Okay, so they sent me all their lip oils. I was literally just talking about their lip oils, and then this is the best part. This little keychain where I can put them, and it has a little Bioma charm. You guys know I have such a big, I don't know where it is, but I have a really big keychain and it has like a bunch of different things. But I've never been able to carry around one of my Bioma lip oils, so here's one that I like, I'm already using. Guys, do you see how cute that is? Why does that make me want to cry? I love that so much. Do you know what else I like about this is it actually like keeps it in right there. You see that? And I've like seen other brands do this, and sometimes like it like falls out or it like can click out. So really happy about this. Thank you, Bioma. Mwah. Next is from Avatara. Let's see what we have here. It says make 'em jelly Avatar donuts. Is this food? It's gonna make me want to have donuts. Okay, so this stuff kind of like fell out of its case, but that's okay. It is okay, we have the products. They sent me this little phone charm that says make 'em jelly. Okay, so it says juicy, hydrated, lips await. It's like a little donut. You guys see that? And so they sent me their 3 different lip balms in Guava Glow, Juicy Water Lemon, and Dragon Fruit Dream. I really want to try Dragon Fruit Dream. I'm actually gonna go get the Dragon Fruit Refresher after this. Okay, it says tinted lip jelly, which it's not a lip oil, it's not a lip gloss, it's a lip jelly. So let's see how this is. Oh, I feel like it kind of smells more strawberry-y than dragon fruit, but I do see where the dragon fruit's coming from, and it's like dragon fruit shade. Thank you. You know what song's in my head right now is that one song from The Grinch that's at the end. It's like, you know what I'm talking about? Okay, if you don't, that's actually really embarrassing. So, okay, so this next package has a security notice on it. So really hope this is not something scary. Okay, this is from Anastasia Beauty. Really don't know why this had a security notice on it. They sent me 3 of their lip velvets in chestnut, brownie, and cinnamon. So cool, oh my goodness. I feel like this would be such a cute like Christmas lip shade. Thank you, Anastasia. I actually have all of my Anastasia lip velvets right here. So I'm so excited I get to add them. I'm gonna have to move over my little Anastasia glosses so I can have more room, yay! This is a good problem to have. Okay, next package. Okay, next is from The Ordinary. They sent me their new serum and it is known as like the blue serum. I actually just did a video on this on TikTok. I love it because, guys, you're gonna die when you see the color of this. I've been using this every single day since I got it, like I think 2 weeks ago, a week ago, something like that. But it is called the Multi-Peptide Copper Peptides 1% Serum. It's so good. Thank you, The Ordinary. I love you. And we're back onto, oh, it's already open. Oh, I think my dad opened this for me. Oh my goodness. This is from Cossin Mayer, and they are like these dancers on TikTok. I love them so much. I've been following them for ages. And they came out with this really cute little make it dance game. And you basically draw your persona and song card, pick your dance partner, create a performance, and dance and score, which I think this is So fun. I think that I'm definitely gonna bring this to Thanksgiving so I can play it with my little cousins. So fun. Next from ColourPop. I feel like they're always coming out with new stuff, so I wonder what this is. It says holiday glam check. Okay. Get everything on your wish list. So they kind of came out with like this little Christmassy type line. They sent me their Sugar Crystals lip gloss, nude lip liners, lip balm and liner set. I love it when there are sets so you know which ones like go with which one, because sometimes it's hard to like find a lip liner that also matches the gloss. So speaking of that, we have 2 more and 2 more shades. I love when like holiday packaging like looks like holiday stuff. Okay, 2 of their Lippy Trio sets. And next, this one has a special little wrapping. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so using this later. This is their eyeshadow and eyeliner kit, but do you guys see those 2 little shimmers? Like that is the, when I do wear eyeshadow, those are the shades that I like. And I've heard really good things how pigmented this stuff is. It looks like a little house. Ah, I love it. Okay guys, I think it has come down to the last package. I could be wrong because I usually say I'm done and then I stop filming and then I find one like under my desk or in my room somewhere. This last one is from Catrice. Get a grip. Get a grip. This is by Catrice Cosmetics. Oh. I love the color of this Aqua Splash Grip Primer. That is so pretty. It kind of looks like one of like the sticky primers, which I love sticky primers, so I'm so excited to try this out. Thank you, Catrice. You're a real one. Anyway, that is it for today's PR unboxing. That was actually crazy. What a rush. I had so much fun and I have so much stuff around me, so I really need to figure out what I'm gonna give to my friends, what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna give away as gifts, what, maybe a giveaway coming up, maybe, who's to know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much to all the brands that sent me anything, and if any other brands are watching and want to send me something, make sure to email collab@lisishops.com. It'll also be below. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you were to get PR, what would be your dream brand to get you PR? Bye guys.